Hey everyone, this is RB from Learn8.com. So today I will show you on how to make an auto post in Facebook group. So a lot of my followers asking me on how to do that, and now I will provide you for a tutorial for this one. So first, all you need to do is log into your Facebook account, and then so need this link. Anyway, I will provide this one below in this video description. Just visit there. So now open new tabs for and this is what you can see here. So anyway, if you are using Google Chrome or Firefox, I suggest that use Google Chrome, because why? There's nothing conflict for Facebook, because you know, right now Facebook is very strict when you're using this method. So I suggest that you use Google Chrome. So right here in your profile, just simply hit F12 in your keyboard, and it comes like this. So below here, in this code, you must copy this code, select all, then copy, then go back to the console, and must paste here below and hit enter. So there, that is coming pop up. As you can see, there's a pop-up above here. Just simply click OK, and there you go. Auto post will grow. So click OK, and it coming like this. So you might start your own post here in this this table, and you can write everything what you want. It's up to you which content you should post in the group. So for me, I'm preferring my post here. So example like this one, I will post this one because right now I'm doing online revolution system. So I would like to share this one to all people, because I want to help other people to create their own financial freedom like me. So as you can see here, this my preferred post. Simply I place here, and after that simply click post. Once you done that, automatic it will post to all groups that you join. And by the way, the advantage for this one is even those private groups, and every time you post there in the groups, we asking for permission for the admin. But this one, wow, this is great, because no need for the approval for the admin of that group that you posted, because automatic it will post there, and that's the advantage for this one. But note, you must do this for once a day only. So I suggest you must join mini groups. Let's say 200 groups to 500 groups. It's okay. It can post automatic in these methods. So after you click this post, then simply refresh it and then close this one. Then automatically it will already post in all groups that you join. See, as you can see here, there's already someone will like already my post here, as you can see. So I'm sure some of the groups are, I will check this one. See, this group is a closed group. There's a privacy, but still don't need approval for the admin. So automatic it will post right here in this group. So that's the advantage. No need for the admin permission. So I hope guys you learned something for this video, and see you in the next video for my updates tutorial for online marketing strategies. So good luck, and please anyway, please subscribe and like for support. Thank you guys.